Hello guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to install the center stand on your Honda Africa Twin. As you probably know, this is not a very difficult job, except from the fact that you have to pull the spring. I'm going to try an alternative method using hoist. Never tried it before, but apparently it's safer and you don't have to use a lot of force and taking the risk of dropping the bike. I've got a new Africa Twin, the adventure version, a DCT. I'm going to post a video in the future comparing, and all the maintenance now on my bike will be on this one. Here's the OEM center stand. It's quite simple, yeah. You've got one ring that locks the center stand on place, two springs that are quite hard, very hard to pull it, and this bit here that you attach on the bike. Everything is quite straightforward except from the fact that you have to pull this, and this is quite hard, yeah? In order to minimize friction, apply a little bit of grease. You apply it just here as well. So guys, that bit that you grease, you just place it just inside here, and the other part here, yeah? So here and here. So guys, once you match, go through this hole here and the other one right inside, yeah? So guys, once you've placed the center stand in the right hole with the rings, it's now time to install these springs. One side of the spring goes onto this hole, and the other one, the difficulty is to pull it. In order to do that, we are going to use an alternative method I'm going to show you now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this belt, a hoist, yeah, to pull the spring, and in order to match the tip of the spring onto here, I'm going to use some wire. Put like some wire in order to pull the spring. I'm gonna match the spring onto the hole and pull it. See, I tied it on the tire. Here's the lever, the spring, and I'm gonna pull it, close it to here, yeah? You see, there is quite a distance from here to here. So guys, as you can see, the spring is there. Let's check. Still have to pull a little bit more. Okay, I think it's very close now. Now we have to get the screwdriver in order to match it. It's a very straightforward job. Just pull it. Now I have to cut that wire and install the other spring. Now you see, just pull it with a plier. I can just unroll it. You have to place the other spring . I just have to move this. It's already pulled up to the point, yeah? So guys, I managed to pull from the other side using a screwdriver. All I have to do is to remove all this extra wire. So everything tidy now. The two springs placed correctly, no force. Final job, everything lubricated. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I helped you out with a new technique to pull your spring in order to install the center stand or even the side stand. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than pleased to answer you guys, and I wish you all the best.